Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today we're going to compare my favorite laptop, the S510 Getac, to the tried and true Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. Now, if you know anything about Panasonic, you know for a fact that they do not have a 15-inch semi-rugged laptop like Getac has. This is a 14-inch screen. It has basically all the same stuff, but it does not have the AI-powered processor. The S510 comes with that ultra processor, which is, in my opinion, going to make this a better laptop. But the FZ-55, I think, has got a better made material that it's made out of. Whereas the Getac seems like it's not as rigid as the Panasonic. So I don't mind piling these up. If I had 4 or 5 of them to pile up, I wouldn't want to do that with this laptop based on the fact of the play that you have between the screen and this cover. The other thing that I will tell you is that the keyboard on the, you know how I am with keyboards, right? So the keyboard on the Panasonic, I do like it better. And why do I like it better? I can see it better. This keyboard is darker. So when I look down at this keyboard, the letters are not as bolded. It doesn't have, well, here, you guys take a look. If you take a look, you can see what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to show you the FZ-55, and you can see where they've got stuff highlighted. It seems like the letters are bolder, that sort of thing, so that I know what I'm punching and where I'm going. They're both backlit, they're both multicolor, but I do like the Panasonic keyboard better. The other feature in the Panasonic that I like better than the Getac would be the port cover. So if we take a look right here, you can see where it's got a rubber gasket around it so that it keeps the water out. The hinge is also better. It's still a full plastic hinge, but it goes all the way across the port cover so they don't break off as easy. The feature on the FZ-55, it also has the fast eject hard drive procedure right here where, you know, if I want to change the hard drive out, it's not a big deal. Bingo, there's my hard drive. That Getac has the same technology. If you take a look at it, if you look over here, you can also do it with this laptop as well. Now, the other feature on this, as compared to that one, is the handle. I feel like this handle is not going to last as long as the handle on the Panasonic. This is all metal. This has got some plastic parts to it that I think are going to be a long-term problem. This one is a fully metal handle like this, so that I think it's going to last longer. As far as processors, you know this is the Ultra 5 125U AI powered chip, so you get the latest and the greatest. Panasonic hasn't quite gotten there yet, but I'm sure they're on their way. The FZ-55 is definitely the gold standard in semi-rugged, but Getac is definitely coming aboard with this nice 15-inch screen. The last time Toughbook had a 15-inch screen, I think, was with the CF-52, if you guys remember that laptop. And man, that thing was a workhorse. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Give me your ideas in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week.